Having the right camera can completely change your YouTube videos, and in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best cameras for YouTube so you'll never have to suffer through bad video quality again. The only issue is that a camera might work great for one person but might not be the best for you because some cameras work better for different situations. That is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. So regardless of whether you're an aspiring vlogger, a seasoned professional, or anything in between, I'll have the perfect YouTube camera for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the very end so you don't miss anything. First on the list is the Panasonic Lumix S5. Panasonic Lumix S5 is a versatile and compact camera that is perfect for travel vloggers and content creators. It offers a range of features that make it a great option for those on the go. One of the standout features of this camera is the 24.2 megapixel sensor. This allows for high-resolution stills and video. The camera can shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second and full HD video up to 180 frames per second, providing smooth and stable footage. Now, the autofocus system and in-body image stabilization work together to ensure that your shots are sharp and stable. Even when you're moving around, the large touchscreen LCD makes it easy to control the camera and review your shots. Additionally, the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth allow for easy sharing and remote control, which is perfect for vlogging. The camera's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around and shoot on the go, which is perfect for travel vloggers and content creators. In summary, the Panasonic Lumix S5 is a great option for those looking for a compact, lightweight, and versatile camera that can shoot high-quality video and stills. It is perfect for travel vloggers and content creators, and its built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make it easy to share and control the camera remotely, which is perfect for vlogging. The camera's high-resolution sensor is great for those who want to shoot video and stills at the same time, or for those who want to make sure they have a high-resolution image to work with when they are editing. Next on my list is the Sony ZV-E10, my choice for the best YouTube camera for most people. The Sony ZV-E10 is a fantastic option for those looking for a versatile camera that offers a balance of features and price. As a YouTube content creator, having a camera that can deliver high-quality video is crucial, and the ZV-E10 does not disappoint in this regard. With a 24.2 megapixel sensor and the ability to shoot 4K video at 30 FPS, as well as full HD video up to 120 frames per second, the ZV-E10 is capable of capturing stunning footage with incredible detail and clarity. Now, one of the standout features of the ZV-E10 is its fast autofocus system. This allows for smooth and seamless transitions between subjects and ensures that your footage remains in focus at all times. Additionally, the in-body image stabilization works in tandem with the autofocus to provide stable and smooth footage, even when shooting on the go. Now, another great feature of the ZV-E10 is its compact and lightweight design. This makes it easy to carry around and shoot on the go, perfect for vlogging or capturing footage while on the move. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth also make it easy to share and control the camera remotely, allowing you to easily transfer your footage to your computer or mobile device for editing. The user-friendly interface of the ZV-E10 makes it perfect for beginners to navigate and learn how to use. The 3-inch touchscreen LCD allows for easy access to all of the camera's settings and features, and the intuitive menu system makes it easy to adjust settings on the fly. Overall, the Sony ZV-E10 is a fantastic choice for those looking for a versatile camera that can deliver high-quality video and is easy to use. With its balance of features and price, it is my pick for the best YouTube camera for most people. Next on my list is the Sony A7 IV, my choice for the best overall camera for YouTube. The Sony A7 IV is the perfect camera for any content creator looking to up their game on YouTube. With its advanced set of features and high-quality video capabilities, this camera stands out as the best overall option for YouTube creators. One of the key features of the A7 IV is its 33-megapixel sensor, which allows for incredibly detailed and sharp images. The camera also boasts 4K video, recording at 60 frames per second, and full HD video at 120 frames per second, making it ideal for capturing fast-paced action or slow-motion footage. The autofocus system is also lightning fast, ensuring that your shots stay sharp and in focus, even in challenging conditions. In addition to its impressive video capabilities, the A7 IV also has in-body image stabilization, which helps to reduce camera shake and produce smooth and stable footage. This is especially useful when shooting in challenging conditions such as low light or when moving around a lot. Now, another great feature of the A7 IV is its weather-sealed body, which makes it more durable and resistant to the elements. This is perfect for content creators who like to shoot in a variety of different environments and need a camera that can withstand the elements. The A7 IV also comes with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which make it easy to share and control a camera remotely. This is great for vlogging, as you can easily check your shot and make adjustments without having to physically be in front of the camera. The high-resolution sensor is also great for those who want to shoot videos and stills at the same time, or for those who want to make sure they have a high-resolution image to work with when they are editing. Overall, the Sony A7 IV is a fantastic option for any content creator looking to step up their video game on YouTube. With its advanced set of features and high-quality video capabilities, this camera is sure to take your videos to the next level. Now, if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and subscribing. Next on my list is the Canon EOS M50 Mark II, my choice for the best YouTube camera for beginners. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II is a great option for those who are just starting out with YouTube and looking for a camera that offers a lot of features for its price. The camera boasts a 24.1 megapixel sensor that can shoot up to 4K video at 24 frames per second, as well as full HD video at 120 frames per second. The compact and lightweight design of the camera makes it easy to travel with, and the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make it easy to share and control the camera remotely, which is great for vlogging. Additionally, the user-friendly interface makes it easy for beginners to navigate and learn how to use. The camera's autofocus system is also noteworthy. It's fast and accurate, which is essential for capturing clear and sharp footage. In-body image stabilization is another great feature that helps to reduce camera shake and produce smooth and stable footage. The 3-inch touchscreen LCD is also a nice touch, making it easy to adjust settings and compose your shots. The camera offers good video quality with its 4K video at 24 FPS and full HD video at 120 FPS. The autofocus system and in-body image stabilization work together to provide smooth and stable footage. The compact and lightweight design of the camera makes it easy to travel with, and the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make it easy to share and control the camera remotely, which is great for vlogging. Additionally, the user-friendly interface makes it easy for beginners to navigate and learn how to use. In summary, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II is my pick for the best YouTube camera for beginners. It's a great entry-level camera that offers a lot of features for its price. With its 24.1 megapixel sensor, fast autofocus system, in-body image stabilization, and 3-inch touchscreen LCD, this camera is perfect for capturing high-quality video footage. The compact and lightweight body, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and user-friendly interface make it easy to carry around, share, and control the camera remotely, and easy to navigate for beginners. And the final camera on my list is the Canon EOS R5, my choice for the best YouTube camera for video quality. This full-frame mirrorless camera is a game-changer for any video creator. The R5 features a 45 megapixel sensor which captures incredible detail and dynamic range, allowing for stunning footage that will leave your viewers in awe. But that's not all. The R5 also boasts 8K video recording capabilities. That's right, you can now record in 8K 8K resolution, which is 4 times the resolution of 4K. Imagine the level of detail and clarity that you'll be able to achieve with 8K recording. And not just that, the R5 also offers a variety of frame rates to choose from, including 4K at up to a new high of 120 frames per second and Full HD video at 120 frames per second. This makes the R5 perfect for slow motion shots and high-speed action. You'll be able to capture every single detail of the moment, leaving your viewers in awe. The dual-pixel autofocus system ensures that you'll never miss a shot, with its phase detection technology quickly and accurately focusing on your subject. Plus, the R5 also has in-body image stabilization, which helps to keep your shots steady, even if you're shooting handheld. So if you want to take your YouTube channel to the next level and stand out from the crowd, the Canon EOS R5 is the ultimate camera for video creators. Don't wait, upgrade your gear today and start creating some amazing content. If you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like, and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.